Abrahamic bullshit killed my people, man. Hey. He destroyed the whole pagan faith. He came in there with the cross and he burned them all. He didn't give them a choice.
Hey!
What
does the Old Testament say about wearing two different types of material?
What would you say about that? That actually happened. You can't say
Jesus ain't the same.
Okay, did Jesus burn any pagans? Did Jesus burn any pagans?
Might as well have done.
Did Jesus burn any pagans? No, he did not, sir. He actually said this. He actually said this. Love your enemies. He actually said this. He got down, washed disciples' feet. Yeah? And when he washed the disciples, wait a minute. Let me finish. He washed the disciples' feet and he said, just as I have loved you, love one another. So Jesus taught about love. Love your enemies. Love each other. Yeah? If people, generations after, mix religion with politics, go away from Jesus' teaching, that's not Jesus. That's religion, sir. It's not what Jesus taught.